Hello, everybody. Very good evening to you all. How are you all doing, children? Are you fine? Okay, children, come on, everybody. Now, quickly stand up from your places. All of you, stand up from your places, children. Come on, quickly get up from your places and start the warm up. Yes, children, come on, everybody. Start jumping. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump up high and touch the sky. Can you really jump up high and touch the sky, children? Yes? Try. Jump up high and touch the sky. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Well done. Now come on, everybody. Turn around. Turn around. It's for you. Come on, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Very good, children. Now come on, everybody. Bend forward and touch your toes and then bend backwards as much as possible. Bend forward and touch your toes and then bend backwards as much as possible. Very good. I will count to 8 for you. Come on, everybody. You have to start bending down. Okay, children? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. You have to put your hands on your hips and rotate your hips round 4 times clockwise, 4 times anti-clockwise. Start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now come on, everybody. Put your hands on your shoulders and rotate your elbows round. 4 times clockwise, 4 times anti-clockwise. Start doing it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the other direction. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Very good, children. Now come on, everybody. Sit down in your places. Sit down in your places and touch your chest to the chin and rotate your head round. 4 times clockwise, 4 times anti-clockwise. Okay? Start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the other direction. 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. That's amazing, children. Okay? Very good. Now, can you all tell me which day is today? Today is, tomorrow will be, and yesterday was. So, children, now, can you tell me how many days are there in a week and what are they? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. And what are they? They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So total there are 7 days in a week. All right, children. Now can you tell me how many months are there in a year? Can you tell me how many months are there in a year, children? There are 10 and 2, 12 months in a year. What are they? They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So total there are 10 and 2, 12 months in a year. Okay? Very good, children. Now can you tell me which month is this? Okay. So, children, now did you observe something in what all we are learning? We have number system in each and everything we are doing around us every day, isn't it? We have numbers. What are the numbers like? We have 7 days. I'm saying 7 is a number. We have 12 months in a year. 12 is a number. So for each and everything we do in our day-to-day life, we associate it with a number. Have you ever realized that, children? Each and everything in our life is associated with some or the other number. The day-to-day activities we do is related to some numbers. 1 cup. 2 blocks. So like that, related to some of the other numbers. So children, now can you all please go and get 1 spoon, please? 1 spoon. Today we are mostly learning the number quantity and some math concepts totally. Children, come on, quickly go run and get a spoon, please. Yes, did you get a spoon? Very good. So here, see, I have 1 cup. 1 cup. So do you have 1 cup? Sorry, I asked you to get a spoon, right? So do you have 1 spoon? Show me the quantity in number. Say 1 spoon. Very good. Yes. Now, can you get 2 cushions? 2 cushions. 2. If you know the correct quantity of the number 2, your kids will get the correct number of objects. So that is when it is understood that they have learnt the number concept. So how do you know if they have learnt the quantity incorrect? Ask them to do this at home whenever it is possible. If the children are counting in between the range 1 to 10 correctly, that means they have understood the number system in quantity. First, it is important to teach only 1 to 10. So children, can you get 2 cushions? So you have to pick the correct number. That is when you understood what is meant by 2 in quantity. Today I am going to give you lots and lots of insights about mathematics in kids' life, like how we have to teach them big number, small number, before number, after number, comparison, and everything now. Now, children, can you quickly go and get 3 plates? 3 plate. 3 plates. The plate which you eat or the lid which you cover anything from the kitchen. 3. 3. Do you understand the quantity 3, children? So can you get 3? See, you have 2 cushions. I have 2 blocks. Can you count these blocks? 2 blocks. 3. What is mean by 3? Are they really getting 3? If not, you have to work on it just to make them understand 1, 2, 3. It's 3. So if they're not able to get, how do you teach them? Ask them to go to some particular thing and ask them to count 1, 2, 3. So 3, all 3. They have to count it. Okay? So children, can you count the blocks over here? Can you count the blocks over here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 blocks. If the child has got 3 plates, then yes, they know the quantity 3 as well. So parents, listen to me. Children might understand 1, 2, 3 and up to 5 as well, but 7, 8, again they'll get confused. They have to count correctly and then collect the objects and come back. So you have to make sure they count and get objects correctly from 1 to 10. If that is first perfect in maths, then later you can teach anything. They should understand the quantity first. What is the next number? What comes after 3? It's 4. 4, isn't it? 4. Can you get 4 glasses? Children, can you get 4 glasses? Can you get 4 glasses quickly? So that is when you will understand if the child has really understood the concept of quantity in mathematics. See here, number 4. 4. You have to get 4 glasses. Did you see this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 in number. All right, children. 4. Very good. So 4 glasses. Can you once quickly count how many glasses you have right now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 glasses. So your child knows the quantity 4 as well. So let's check if they know the quantity 5. So children, can you get 5 onions? Onion or any tomato or any vegetable which is 5 in number with you. Maybe chilies, you can get 5. 5. 5 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So children, can you now count how many boxes I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in number. So you should know the quantity here. It is 5 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Can you now count 5 on your fingers, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to teach kids in these many different ways. Counting with fingers, counting with objects, and then you also should ask them to show number 5. Where is number 5, children? This is number 5. This is number 5. Okay. So this is how you have to learn. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Very good. Now, what comes after 5, children? It's number 6. 6. 6. Do you have crayons? Do you have crayons with you? 6 crayons. Count and take 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 crayons. 6 crayons. Look here, children. Can you now count the number of crayons I'm having with me right now? I'll hold it for you. Can you please count it for me? How many crayons do we have? 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 crayons. Can you also take out 6 crayons from your crayon box, children? If your child has taken 6 number without your help, that means they have learned to count till 6 perfectly. So you should teach them counting with objects up to 10 numbers first. 10, 1 to 10. When they understand the quantity correctly, they will be able to do the after numbers, before numbers, big number, small number correctly. If they know the quantity, which is more in quantity, which is less in quantity, that is what we will teach them. After that, which is big number, which is small number. Very good. Now what comes next? 7. 7. What will you get for 7 now? All right, you can take 7 crayons, add 1. 7. Can you now please count my crayons? 7 crayons. Okay. How many are there right now? 8. 8. Add 1 more and make a bundle of 8 crayons, children. 8 crayons. And add 1 more and make it 9. And add 1 more and make it 10. So here I have 10 crayons. 10 crayons. 10 crayons. Like this, you should teach them collecting the objects, different objects. Maybe 3 soaps, for example. See, 3 soaps. 3 soaps. So ask them to count. How many soaps we have here? 1, 2, 3. 3 soaps. 8. It is 3, right? 0. No. 1. No. 2. No. 6. No. 9. No. 4. No. 5. No. 3. Yes. So the quantity of this object is matching with this number. Okay, that is how you have to teach the number system first introduction to your kids. For that, must and should you have some cards like this, or flashcards or wooden boards, anything. You don't necessarily need to have only this one. You can also write it in a piece of paper and make this on your own. Okay, you should have something like that handy where you have numbers from 1 to 10 and then put any objects and ask them to collect the respective number from this one. Okay, now after that you can show them this one. For example, you can show them this. So children, can you now please count how many sketch pens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 sketch pens. Now ask the child to, can you tell me which number is 5 here? 7, 3, 5. Yes, here it is. 5. 5. So in this way, you have to teach your kids counting. It will be very easy for your kids. For example, we have this one over here. Children, can you tell me how many objects are here? Ask them that. Don't tell, can you, here we have two objects, can you show me where is number 2? No, don't tell that. You have to show the objects and ask them to count on their own. So children, can you tell me how many objects are here? Please count and tell me. So they'll count 1, 2, 2 objects. Okay, great. Now can you show me where is number 2 in this? Then again the child will keep checking. Yes, here it is number 2. So this is the second idea on teaching them. First idea is you should ask them to collect 7 potatoes, 2 cushions, 6 crayons. So first is like this. You have to give them a number and they should find out that thing and come back. And the second idea of teaching them the quantity is showing them some set of things and asking them to match with the number. That is when we understood that they have associated it with the correct number. Okay, clear? That is when it is associated with that. That is when it is understood that they are associating it with the correct number. Fine. So now after the quantity and the number matching is over, what is the third thing? The third thing is they should understand which one is more in quantity and which one is less in quantity. Okay. Okay. Which is more in quantity and which is less in quantity. That is the third thing they have to understand. So for this, what will you do? You have to take some objects. For example, you know what? Preschooling can be done from home itself nicely using all these ideas and all. So here I'm explaining few ideas for you. See, for example, you may not have blocks like this, but you must have had something which is 10 in quantity, like 10 balls or 10 crayons or 10 onions or 10 potatoes or anything, right? So make sure you have some object sets which are 10 in number. That is first. Okay. So children, listen to me now. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks. 5 blocks. Here you have 1 block. Okay. You have to divide the objects like this. Now the difference has to be so much that a child will easily understand. You should not keep a difference of 3 and 2. They will not understand 3 and 2 difference at first. So the difference has to be minimum 4 to 5 number difference. Now they will understand. So children, can you count and tell me how many blocks are here? There are 5 blocks. And here 1. Which one is more in number? 5 is more in number and it is only 1 which is less. So if there is a minimum of 5 difference, they will understand. Which one is more in number, children? Can you tell me which one is more in number here? This is more in number. Can you count how many crayons here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is big, 2 is small. Okay. After that, so children, can you please now count and tell me which one has more number of objects? So this has more number of objects. This is less. But don't give them something like this. As adults, we know this is 4, this is 5. But for them, it is difficult to understand if there is only one number gap. Okay, it has to be minimum 3 difference. Like, see, this one they'll nicely understand, or at least this they will understand. 3 and 5, 3 and 6, but they will not understand 4 and 5. Okay, so you should not teach like that in the beginning. Okay, the difference has to be more. You have to teach with the help of objects first. Then after the objects is over, they will somehow understand, okay, number is with respect to the more and less is with respect to the quantity of quantity. Then they will relate it with the number. After that is over with the object, here you show them. When you show the numbers also, the difference should not be like this. When you show them the numbers, you should not say which one is big. 1 and 2, they will not understand. You have to show at least this difference. 8 and 2. Which one is the big number, children? 8. Chocolates. Yes, you can do this with chocolates because 10 chocolates you will easily get. Kids also will be very much interested. 8 and 2. Which one is big? 8 is big. Okay. So the difference has to be very big. 6 and 7, which one is big? You should not start like this. You have to say One side above 5, other side below 5. See, 3 and 6. Which is big? 6 is big. Okay. 4 and 9. Which is the big number? 4. 9 is the big number. Okay, children. So this is how you have to introduce the big and small concept first with the quantity and then with the number. As I told to you, 1 to 5 quantity aside, 6 to 10 aside. You have to show the difference in between those two. Okay. Then they will understand the big number and small number concept. So hope you have enjoyed the session today. Till then, take care. Bye.